Top 5.
Irwin. Constructed from durable nickel chromium steel. Machine jaws for maximum gripping strength. Anti-pinch, non-slip Pro-Touch grips provide comfort, control, and less hand fatigue. This is the only tool you need to work on metal and wood posts.
Top 4.
Crescent. Designed for heavy-duty wire cutting, standard for flush cutting edges, angled head for offset cutting, electronically induction-hardened hand-honed, long-lasting cutting edge, manufactured from forged alloy tool steel for durability.
Top 3.
Zillarman. The fence pliers is made of high-quality carbon steel with superior rust resistance to ensure a long service life. Anti-slip grip, anti-pinch, anti-slip PVC grip handle, feel comfortable, reduce fatigue.
Top 2.
Tecton. Staple starter. Use the 2 jaw openings to hold a staple in place and drive it with a hammer. Start a staple with one hand by gripping it in the upper jaws and swinging it into the post.
Top 1.
Knipex. Precision-matched, induction-hardened cutting edges are specially made to cut all types of fencing. 20:1 compound joint ratio for exceptional cutting. R equals robust, designed to cut fence wire and barbed wire. Non-slip grip handles, components like bolts, nails, rivets, etc. up to 5.2 mm dia.